I can look at a landing page right away and know that it's not going to convert. On the flip side, I can also look at a landing page and know if it's going to convert exceptionally well. Hi everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to share with you the anatomy of a high converting landing page. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, when I release more videos and more tips, you'll get notified. So do you want to know the secret to a really high converting landing page? There's a formula, and I'm about to share it with you. And as long as you follow the formula step by step, you should produce better results. But the moment you don't follow the formula step by step, you'll notice that your conversions are going to tank and your landing pages won't do well. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is clearly state your value proposition in a header. And this is important. A lot of people are like, yeah, I'll state the value proposition somewhere on the page. No, the attention span of a human is less than a goldfish. In other words, if you can't catch their attention in the headline, you're screwed. 8 out of 10 people will read your headline, but only 2 out of the 10 will read the rest of the copy on the page. In other words, your headline is either going to make it where people read the rest of your content or you're going to lose them. So if you can create an amazing headline with your value proposition, you can attract people to read the rest of your page. Now, the best tip that I can give you, because everyone's going to have a different value proposition, is make sure your headline is something bold, you're making a statement, it's short and to the point. You don't want something that's run on. If you can do that short, to the point, you're making a statement, something bold, and ideally 7, 8 words max, maybe around 6 words ideally, you'll do much better. The moment it's too run on, you're gonna lose people. The second thing you need in your landing page is a visual focus. Whether it's a headshot, product shot, a video, some sort of visual focus where people can put all their attention to. See, the moment someone goes through a headline, they read it, you need to grab their attention with the visual and you need to get them to keep going. If you just have text and only text and no visuals that people can watch, you'll find that the conversions aren't as great. The higher quality you produce, the better off you are. The third thing you need is to outline the features and benefits, but it's not just about features, you need to more so focus on the benefits. So the features are there because if you don't talk about the features, you're not going to get as many conversions. But the benefits are the key. People don't buy something because of features, they buy because of the benefits. Typically, benefits are the solution to their problem, such as saves you time, saves you money. If the benefits aren't there and they're not clearly stated, you're not going to do well. And you don't want to just state any benefits, like whatever you think is the benefits of the product or service. You want to talk to your ideal customers, find out the problems that they're facing. Ideally, your product or solution should solve those problems, and that should be the benefit, how you're solving the problems. Don't talk about how you solve X, Y, and Z problem. It's more so like if something takes a lot of time for people, you can say, on average, this saves 3 hours, right? You're letting them know the benefit. The fourth step is presenting a single and focused call to action. A lot of people are like, oh, I got a landing page. I'm going to put a call to action everywhere. You could do that. And for some products it works, but not for most. The reason you want to have a single focused call to action, and eventually after that one call to action, you can have more later down. But when you have your headline, your visual focus, you're talking about your benefits, your solutions, you're answering the objections. Once someone gets the whole story and they understand why they should be buying your product or service, and then you have a call to action, they're much more likely to convert. What most people like doing is saying, hey, here's what I'm selling, and above the fold, they just put a call to action, like click this, here's some more details, click this, here's some more details, click this. And what you'll find is someone doesn't get the full picture, so then when they go to the checkout page or the lead form page, the conversion from visitor to filling out the lead or visitor to checking out is much lower. It's not about getting the most amount of people to your checkout or lead form pages, it's about getting the highest number of completions. So yeah, you may not get as many clicks, but if everyone who visits those pages converts, you could be better off. And that's why you want to answer all the objections, the benefits, have your main heading, have your main visual focus, and then go into your call to action versus just being like, hey, land on my landing page, you came here, click this and buy right away. Because most people are going to be like, sorry, see you later. The fifth thing you want to do is include testimonials and other visual proofs. I love doing reviews, whether it's a service or a product. Reviews are amazing. The reason a review is amazing is People know the truth, how they feel, how they don't feel, if it's great or if it's bad. And by including that, they can then get a better sense if it's right for them or if it's not a good fit for them. The sixth thing you need to do is give a guarantee. Whether you're doing a free trial with no credit card so there's low risk, or you're doing a 30-day or 60-day money-back guarantee, those are awesome things. You want people to feel comfortable. If they're not happy, you know you're gonna end up refunding them anyways. If you don't, in the long run, it's gonna tarnish your brand. Look, we're not all perfect. We all get complaints, even I do. And when we do, what do you try to do? You solve them. That's why the guarantee is important, because the moment you can solve these problems for people and show that you're there and you care, they're more likely to convert. The last step, integrate storytelling into your landing page. If you don't integrate storytelling, you'll find that your conversions won't do as well. People love soap operas. Whether you like them personally or not, people do. That's why they're on television 24/7. If you can integrate storytelling, take people through the emotional roller coasters, the ups, the downs, they're much more likely to convert. It's all about the story. It's that 1,000-plus-year-old marketing technique that we all tend to forget. But it's worked for so many years and it'll still keep working no matter what channels are out there, no matter what algorithm updates happen. Storytelling is so effective, you need to use it in all of your landing pages. Thank you for watching, and if you need help with your conversion optimization, check out my ad agency, Neil Patel Digital. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, tell other people about this video. Cheers.